Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's question is 3 divided by 3, divided by 3, divided by 3, divided by 3. So in questions like this, we solve it by first doing 3 divided by 3, which becomes 1, then 1 divided by 3, which becomes 1/3, then 1/3 divided by 3, which becomes 1/9, and finally 1/9 divided by 1 equals 1/9. But this is the wrong answer. For questions like this, where you have 3 divided by 3, divided by 3, divided by 3, there's a shortcut trick. First, write down the 3. Change the division into multiplication, and whatever the number is, 3, 7, 8, it could be anything, you take its reciprocal. So 1 by 3, again, change the division to multiplication, 1 by 3, and again, change the division to multiplication, 1 by 3, just keep reversing it like this. Now 3 will cancel out with 3. Now 1 by 3 into 1 by 3, that becomes 1 by 9. This is absolutely the correct solution.